In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock, select Screen Lock, and tap on one of those password types, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Whatever you decided, after tapping on chosen one, wait 5 seconds. Then choose Next in Important Notice pop-up. And if you change your mind, you don't have to go back. Just tap on Use a different password type and tap on one of those here. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. When you're ready, create your login method. Then repeat it to confirm it. And if you want to turn on fingerprint unlock, obviously you need to set it up to right away. Hit enable in this pop-up and follow all of those instructions. If you don't, just select cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!